Why does your scanner show the P0060 engine code? What does it mean? P0060 is a diagnostic trouble code for HO2S heater, resistance bank 2, sensor 2. This error code indicates your vehicle's computer has detected an electrical malfunction in the heating circuit lambda sensor located after the catalytic converter on the second side of the engine. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: blown fuse or fusible link, faulty oxygen sensor, defective relay, ECM malfunction, damaged wiring or connectors. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Honda, Chevrolet, GMC, and Nissan. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.